The Dirty Birds is a puppet show for adults that has audiences everywhere, raving. Happening at the Spire Center on Thursday, March 15th at 8 p.m., this excellent live-action event features a gaggle of comedians, musical acts, hilarious puppets, and costume characters. Twin brothers, comedy duo, and puppeteers Mike and Matt Bass are the Dirty Birds, two crows whose online skits have gone viral and have the Boston comedy scene cawing with laughter. It's all fun and feathers, and it's right in downtown Plymouth. Doors open at 7. Visit spirecenter.org to get your tickets.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button before you go. We'll see you next time.